YouTube, what's up? Welcome back. I know you guys haven't been seeing me. Yes, I was here, man. Tough time. What happened is it's 8 in the morning, 8:45. I'm driving to my doctor's appointment. And for those who are gonna ask, oh, why are you going to the doctor for? It is not about working out. It's not about a general checkup. It's about your boy being on an accident 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks and a half or something. I'm going to the doctor for an x-ray. I got into an accident 2 weeks and a half ago. It was bad. The bank called me yesterday. The car is total, and it was a 5-month car. 4 to 5 months car I bought last year. Man, life goes on. I'm driving to the hospital. I don't know if they're gonna allow me to film on the hospital, but we're going to see. And I'm gonna stay on top of any update. I will update you guys. I got into an accident. I was exiting the Claremont Turnpike. I don't know if you don't live in Florida, you probably don't know where Claremont is. Yeah, I was exiting. It was only one lane. I was already on that lane and following my line. Nothing was crazy until someone was missing the exit and made an aggressive cut. Hit me on the side. I found myself going directly to a pole that's on the side of the road. And I swear, because I didn't know what's going on, and I've never experienced something like that. Like, I'm like, oh, what's going on? When that happened to me, I was conscious. And then I swerved to the left so I can avoid striking the pole, but I still did because, I was going like 72 miles per hour. And they hit me unexpectedly, so I went to another place instead of going exactly where I'm going. Why? Because I saw Citrus Tower, and this hospital, this bigger hospital, is on this same, Citrus Tower road. In my mind, I'm like, okay, that's exactly where they want me to go. And came to find out, it's not too far. Where I'm going is not too far from this place. So I just made a phone call and I told them what happened. So I'm running late because it's already 9. I was supposed to be there 15 minutes before my appointment so I can, complete a couple forms. Yeah, it happens. Human being. You just go by what you think you see. Not what you see actually, but what you think you see. So I'm gonna put this address on the GPS. But I could have done that 7 minutes away. I could have done that, man.
Gotta do a few more though. Just with your finger signatures. Alright, and you said no surgery, but any implants in your body? No? Any metal? No? Good.
Man, that was going in the machine and was noisy. I'm about to put my earrings back on. Yeah, that was noisy, man. Guys, I made it to the mall. I'm gonna walk in there. I'm going straight to the perfume section. I know the store. We went to the store before. I know exactly what I'm gonna get. So let's go with me without speaking too much. Let's go. I made it back to the crib. I'm getting ready for the Zoom call. I didn't get the chance to get my hair, to get my hair cut, not get my hair done, bro. So you don't even have long hair. Yeah. The reason why I didn't want to spend too much time because it was far from my house. I was like 35 minutes away, 45 minutes away, and the haircut would take around 1 hour 45 minutes, and I wanna be there for the time. I'm not gonna say that it's a possibility for the person to not show up, but yes, it is. I don't wanna, I didn't wanna put that in my mouth, but it's a possibility. Sometimes they don't show up. Yes, but me, I have to be ready. So what time is it right now? It's 6:26. I have like 34 minutes in front of me to get myself ready. I've just done shooting a couple head talk video for Instagram. Yeah, we moving, and in that call, I will see how I can help her navigate her fat loss journey and get the best result that she wants for her body, wants for herself. That's what I do. I help Busy Couple with Mom, navigate their journey, their fat loss journey imperfectly. It's important for them to know, you're gonna be imperfect and it's fine. We're just gonna move forward. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys leave a comment. I'm gonna give you guys regular video and show you guys my life. And I got the perfume because tomorrow is the birthday, and I will shot video tomorrow too, where I went the date night. Definitely we're gonna go out, having a good time, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. Peace.